Hi, my name is Ellen, and this is my elevator pitch. When traveling to a foreign country, have you found it challenging to communicate with the locals? Whether it be asking for directions, ordering food at a restaurant, or just trying to find the nearest bathroom. Language barriers can make it difficult to get from place A to place B. However, what if I told you that these issues regarding language barriers and miscommunication are a thing of the past, now thanks to the new AI-fueled translator necklace? The translator necklace has state-of-the-art technology that allows it to detect a new language, translate the detected language into the wearer's preferred language, and respond out loud so the user has the ability to carry a flowing conversation with someone in a different language. This technology won't only bring convenience to travelers, but it will also be easy to use, stylish, and comfortable. So people who enjoy traveling or people looking to travel will find this product to be highly functional. The translator necklace will be proficient in nearly all 6,500 languages and will have combining apps that will be sold through the Apple Store and Google to enhance user experience. The apps will allow people to write out what they want to say, keep a passport of languages they have used through the necklace, and do system updates. The translator necklace will also be sold through Amazon as well as other electronic selling establishments, as well as our own personalized website, so customers will find this easy to purchase. Overall, the AI Translator Necklace will bring travelers a more pleasant, convenient travel experience, as well as remove the communication gap that can prevent people from connecting and expanding their cultural diversity. Thank you.